Okay, okay. We know it's cold. There's a lot of snow. Okay. It's like he knows why Cleo left.
That's why he doesn't want him out there by himself. It's a good thing.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Want to put this on YouTube? Onto your Facebook?
Oh, that looks bad.
You had to stop digging.
Cleo should make a path. That's too much to dig out.
I was just gonna walk through it.
No, that's ghetto.
That's what I would do.
You should make a cave or something.
Oh my god, this is the best time to make an igloo. You don't even need to. Look, the cave
It's
is
already
already
made.
making a long video. He can't do anything.
In a way, it's so beautiful. No, I was just being artistic there.